Welcome back to the Deep Dive, where we review the main details you should know before purchasing a VPN. Breaking things down into 4 key sections, we guide you through the setup, the ability to unblock streaming services, speed, and privacy protection. This time, we'll be shining the spotlight on ExpressVPN. Billed as the VPN that just works, signing up to ExpressVPN couldn't be simpler thanks to big friendly Get ExpressVPN buttons seen all throughout the site. It's true that ExpressVPN isn't the cheapest service out there, but there are a few tricks that can ease the impact on your bank account. Purchasing into a longer-term subscription can dramatically reduce the monthly cost, and you needn't worry if you choose the wrong plan, as they all come with a rock-solid 30-day money-back guarantee. Alongside keeping you informed, we also like to look after our readers here at ProPrivacy by offering a discount through a special link that can be found below in the description. Once you've made up your mind, simply enter a valid email address that can be used for verification and choose your method of payment, which includes card, PayPal, Bitcoin, and a range of local services. After you've input a reliable password, you'll receive a confirmation email containing various useful links where you can download clients for Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, iOS, and a commendable wide range of other devices. However, you cannot use these applications without first retrieving your activation code from the browser. Unlike most VPN services, your web account is automatically protected by two-factor authentication. This means that a verification code will be sent directly to the email address that you need to use in order to finish logging in. From here, you can sign into any supported application with the unique activation code, which effectively replaces the need to enter a username and password. Don't panic. The code might be lengthy, but it's not one you will have to remember. Simply clicking on the code will copy it to your clipboard for easy pasting, and once the device is verified, you will not have to do this again. You will also be asked whether you want to boot the software on startup and share crash reports when ExpressVPN first launches. ExpressVPN has made connecting to a server easier than ever thanks to the large power button automatically selecting a smart location near you. Alternatively, you can manually select from 160 VPN locations across 94 different countries, with the app displaying your most recent connection history for ease. No matter where you decide to connect, congratulations, as you're now protected by a VPN. ExpressVPN is perfect for accessing Netflix's many libraries, with our test playing Cheers from an international location despite being exclusive to the United States version of the streaming service. Since the process is largely the same no matter the platform, ExpressVPN is primed to bypass geo-blocking, granting access to BBC iPlayer, Amazon Prime, and Hulu from across the world. Some servers seem to work better than others, but if you find yourself stuck, the 24/7 live chat support will help you select which server is best for you. Whether you're using a VPN to stream content, to work, or to ensure privacy, no one wants to sacrifice speed. Fortunately, nothing gets past ProPrivacy's proprietary speed test network. Unfortunately, this test can't be replicated at home. However, a sneak peek shows that ExpressVPN is currently the fastest VPN provider on our books. It regularly takes the first place for download speed, and while it doesn't quite have the same impact with DNS lookup times on our second monitoring board, it does manage to beat out competitors to top our comparison list with the best weighted average factoring in burst speeds. As you can see from our tests today, we're seeing speeds of 56.3 megabits per second download when connecting to a local server using the Smart Connect feature. Without a VPN, we're seeing speeds of 61.7 megabits per second. That means we're seeing a degradation in performance of just under 9%. Not bad at all. It's worth remembering that there are many variables when it comes to performance, and our test should only be used as an indicator of what you can expect. Privacy and protection are paramount, meaning we can't have VPNs leaking our real IP addresses. Using the open source tool ipleak.net, we test for IPv6 leaks, both IPv4 and IPv6 DNS leaks, and WebRTC leaks. We always perform these tests on a freshly installed virtual machine using a WebRTC-enabled browser in both public and private modes to ensure caching issues don't present false positives. ExpressVPN passes these tests with flying colors, earning itself a clean bill of health. If you do happen to try this at home and find an IP leak, you can consult our complete guide to IP leak protection, also linked in the description. ExpressVPN is one of the best known names in the game and is responsible for a number of industry firsts. We're pleased to say that despite having a strong market share, ExpressVPN shows no signs of resting on its laurels. With an impressive range of servers, features, and platform support, ExpressVPN remains one of our go-to services. The price tag may be a little higher than some, but there's some truth in that old maxim, you get what you pay for. If you want a reliable, secure VPN that is packed with features and offers an attractive interface, you really don't need to look any further than ExpressVPN.